Ever wonder why some merchants become paying customers while others just kind of window shop? The funnel report lets you see the big picture of your customer journey, either end to end, or you can drill down on a specific section. Let's take a look. The main visualization we see here shows the stages of your funnel along with the percentage of customers that make it to the next step, giving you an indicator of where you might need to make some optimizations. For example, a big drop between trial started and trial converted means you'll want to take a deeper look at your conversion strategy. Up here you'll see your total conversion rate and a customer table with important metrics. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's say you want to find out which type of merchants convert from trial the best. Let's drill down to a segment of Shopify Plus users and compare to our non-Shopify Plus segment. See that higher trial conversion rate? Click into those customers and you can identify patterns in how your most valuable users engage with your app. This can be gold for focusing your marketing efforts. Maybe you want to figure out where your customers are dropping off after starting their free trial. By selecting the Trial Started column, you'll see a filtered list of those customers. From there, you can take a look at their specific timeline to get an idea of how they're using your app and where they might be dropping off. This is really important information when it comes to onboarding and a great opportunity to get those conversions. You can easily take this report further by adding usage events to your funnel. By doing so, you can drill down into more specific views, like how many of your converted customers engage with key features of your app or adopt new ones. To boost those conversion rates, check out Mantle's funnel report and usage events documentation.